Welcome to ADVUUT tips and tricks. Now we see how to install the hotkey support this driver. At first, right click, run as administrator. There is a want permission, click yes. Then this dialog box is open, installation shield wizard is open. Then click next. I accept this term in the license agreement button. Select, then click next. Click next. Click next. And finish. If we restart, if you want to restart now, then click yes, and if you want to restart later, then click no. Here is my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.